I know what you want.
Go all the way from times more.
Take it out. Where's the remote? I'm coming. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Come on. Okay, Daniel is hungry. Let's go make breakfast for Daniel first. Daniel, what is it? I can't leave. Give you my camera. It destroyed my last lens. Take Daniel. You're more interested in. Oh my God, sorry. Should I back you, my love? It's okay. Sorry. Now I'm feeling bad. Daniel's sleeping. I guess it was more of sleep than hunger. And it would have made more sense if he eats, then he can sleep longer. You guys get what I mean? But it's fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap the amala. See all the shaft I got from the one I saved. This particular amala, so this is actually the white one, the one the Yoruba calls lafu. This particular one we bought is the worst we've ever gotten. I just posted the skincare routine I did the other day. Thank you guys for the engagement. I was super happy when I posted and I saw that everyone immediately I had like 6 comments. I was like, oh my god. Thank you guys. Thanks for the engagement. Do not forget to always like, leave a comment. when I post on Instagram, TikTok, and I'm trying to build my my Facebook now, you guys. You stay eating Amala, you're happy. You're happy. Daniel, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Is red.
Let me bring your food.
You say open.
I know what you want. Chicken. Then let me get you some fruits.
Once he eats, he doesn't have problems. Yeah. That's good of you.
The chairman. So I'm just gonna be having my usual breakfast, which is yogurt and fruit and nuts. Okay, tell me.
Okay.
Oh, baby, my baby, I missed you. I missed you. I missed you. I missed you. How's your day? You wanna come down? Your day? My day? Where you going? Where you going, boo boo? Where you going, boo boo? Dada. Dada. Where are you going? Ewa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Up. 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 I got you. I got you. Do you know that's a camera? Boo. Boo. You're gonna block the drum, the eardrum. Do you wanna block the eardrum? Since I got back from work, I've been cleaning the house, as you guys can see. I wanted to work out because I couldn't work out in the morning, and when I got downstairs, the living room wasn't looking good at all. I've been wanting to do the deep cleaning. What does it want, guys?
The vacuum.
The vacuum. Alright, can you just dismantle it so that it's not carrying something too heavy?
This way.
Yeah. But I don't think I'm gonna work out anymore because I'm feeling weak, and that's because I'm hungry. I already put my meal in the microwave, so I'll be eating shortly, but then I need to finish up what I'm doing. I only picked up the camera to talk with you because the kids were in Bible class, so I didn't want to make a noise and all of that. But now that they're done, I know I can talk. I'm almost done. The vacuum battery ran down, so the vacuum battery is down. But to my surprise, when I put it on, I was working, but it was down earlier. Careful, careful. Just put it down. AJ, I took out all those toys. Okay, that's the only one you can bring, just the bicycle. I don't want any other toy. Is that?
Actually, it doesn't even want that. It just wants to.
Yeah, he doesn't want a toy. You guys know that Daniel likes to sweep. Daniel likes broom. He's going on the slide. He has really perfected the slide. That was if you guys have seen one of the Christmas vlog, that was part of his Christmas gift.
He just crawled down the slide.
He crawled down. Yeah, he goes head down now, you guys. Daniel goes head down. My lens is a bit dirty, like I can see a fingerprint. I remember Daniel touched it earlier. I don't know if it's really affecting the quality, the picture. I'm gonna get back to sweeping. I'm almost done. We finally got every pieces of the Christmas decoration out today. I'm so glad. I'm so glad finally. Trying to take out the batteries so that.
He was trying to pick one of them. Oh,
Jesus. Hey, see what happened?
Yeah, you're trying to put it back.
Was trying to pick one on the floor and every other thing poured. And Daniel.
I'm so sorry we missed it.
I'm not doing it.
As if you don't tell me.
No!
You're wasting food.
Daniel, that's not nice.
Food.
I'm gonna be taking all the kitchen napkins up now. I'll probably do the laundry tomorrow morning since it's late. I dropped the Christmas blanket there and I haven't checked it. So I got this wreath. I ordered two. So if you guys can remember the pink one that was by the fireplace, and it's so beautiful. I was like, should I cancel it? So when they delivered it, I bought two. When they delivered it, they delivered just one. and I was told it was going to be delivered maybe after a week, and they kept moving the dates, and at the time they said they're not even sure when it's going to get here. I was thinking, should I cancel or not? But then I thought, let me just leave it, and it's just going to be there for this year. I was going to say next year. So I was supposed to use this pink one on the dining. If you guys remembered, I used pink dishes. Of course, our Christmas theme for last year was pink and green, aside the fact that we had white and gold tree. So I was supposed to use this. Let me reduce the lighting so you guys can see the beauty of this. I don't want to take it out so that it's going to be intact, and I already promised myself, guys, I think it's same thing, because this looks a bit different. I'm not sure if I noticed this particular color there, but there's nothing I can do. It's here, but this wreath is really, it's really beautiful. I also I couldn't get a long ribbon for the tree, so I picked one of the ribbon that came with the other wreath and hung it on the Christmas tree. So this is just gonna go back into the box, and we call it a day. So I'm gonna take this to the storage room downstairs. I think I'm just gonna end this. Danny Bobo. I don't know what it's doing to Google. We've been moving this Google on. Oh, white nose. Nice. Enjoy yourself. Can you guys see how clean my space is? So whenever I'm able to get it done, I'm always happy, and if I'm not able to get it done,
let's get started.
That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're going to end this vlog here, and if you've watched up to this moment, thank you. I appreciate you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment. Please engage with me in the comment section, ask me questions, and just let me know what you feel about me, about my vlog. So thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and thank you to the new viewers. Thank you to our new subscribers. I hope you love it here. Thank you guys. I'll see you in another vlog. Bye, and stay blessed.